Okay, so we have a full truck. Just to give you an idea, we've already started to oh, she's taking a little break there. Lovey. So you see, we filled this truck to capacity. And the funny thing is we had all these plants at the other house. Oh, look at who I found.
Hello.
And look at the back of the truck. This is all, you can't say you can't be creative. This whole thing is layers of plants. Edible plants, flowers.
Tomatoes,
Just
parsley.
ton of stuff that we weren't going to leave behind, and we brought it all, and we filled the back of this truck completely with all these plants.
Ground cherries survived.
And you can see.
The ground cherries survived. The roses survived. They all need a little drink, but I think they're going to do great.
Yeah, well, the greenhouse effect is definitely happening here. It's actually not bad, though. It's pretty cool in here.
It is. We had it parked in the shade, so that helped. I
Yeah,
think.
well, now the beautiful sun is.
You can show them what we took out already, because there's a whole
cook.
bunch of stuff we
Yeah,
took out
you can
already
see.
before we thought about it.
It's just lots of stuff.
Birdhouses.
That gives you an idea of how full the truck is. Oh, there's more over here. So there you go. So just now it's the fun process of unpacking everything. So we're going to get to work, and we'll talk to you later.
Maybe we'll be back to show you the inside of the chicken coop.
At some point, we're going to do that too. See ya.